The 21st of November, 2023. The Ultimate Guide to Revitalizing Dry-Colored Hair, a comprehensive hair care routine. Dry-colored hair can be a challenging issue to tackle, but with the right care routine, you can restore its vibrancy and health. In this comprehensive guide, we'll explore the ultimate dry-colored hair care routine, covering everything from cleansing to styling.